Hello and good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Do you want to see what I'm adding to my closet today? I have a giant Stitch Fix. So let's get into it. Stitch Fix you can get monthly, bi-weekly, once a year, pretty much whenever you want it. So you open it up and it's free shipping, so it comes with a envelope, so free returns. Sometimes you don't even return it at all. It's a 5 for 5. It comes with a styling card, it comes with a note from your stylist, all sorts of fun stuff. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, if you like its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get, If you like this video and you like its content, please don't forget to hit that one more time. If you like this video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So let's get into it. Now, most of you know that watch me, I'm a cheater. I watch other people's YouTube. I sometimes, not always, cheat and look and see what I got in my box. Now they come up with this, you can pick things that you like and just buy them outright. So I did some shopping and I thought, no, I might want to buy this and I might want to buy that, but I didn't actually hit the button. So I know in my box is a couple of the things that I actually wanted to buy. So I'm super, super excited. So let's get into it. So you get your stylist note. Now they've been switching up a couple of my stylists. So I'm just gonna cheek. I have Marissa. I've had Marissa in the past. And so she sent me a note. And the nice thing about Stitch Fix is if you get an item, they show you the different ways to style it. So if you do have some of those items in your closet, that's always nice. Most of the time, I don't own any of those things in my closet. And then, of course, is the price list. And we'll look at that later. So I do know that I have just tops and sweaters in here. I have no pants. So let's get into the goodies. It's not tissue paper, it's like brown paper. So the first thing is this gorgeous color. It's by Lefty and Me in burgundy and a large. It's a detail sweater. And not that I would wear it now, but how pretty is that detailing? I absolutely love it. And it's a 3/4 sleeve, so I can wear it here at night, and I can wear it in Washington. But if you can see the bottom, it is absolutely beautiful. And I wish you guys not only have smell-o-vision, but now we need feel-o-vision, because this feels absolutely soft. Yeah. So hopefully it fits, and if the price is right, it's going in the closet. So I do like that. And I think, now I'm confused. I think that is the one that I picked. I don't know if it's that one or this one. I'm so confused. This is by LUQ, and it is the Olivia embroidered top, burnt orange large. And I think it was these two that I picked because this just looked so comfortable. I'm not a big embroidery person. I just feel like it ages me more than I already am, but it just looks so comfortable. You can just throw it on with jeans, jean shorts, I'm just so confused. I'm pretty sure this is the one I picked, but I do like it. And then is a Daniel Rain in a large. It's polka dot. I know I didn't pick it out because I don't really reach for dots. I don't mind wearing them. But what's so cute is look at the back. And I don't mind wearing these kind of tops at all. And it's kind of a thicker material, but it's very comfortable. And I do look forward to trying that on. And this was the only thing, I think I have one of these already in a gray sweater, a gray cardi, but I don't have one with a hood. And this is also by Lefty and Me, and it has pockets, but I do know I have a gray cardigan at home, and it's got these kind of arms, which I don't think the other one does, and that one is back in Arizona, so I can always keep one here, but it is cute. So depending if this box is a 5 for $5, depending if this stays. And I don't know how many of you get FabFitFun boxes. I'm sure quite a bit of you do. And I do. I haven't gotten mine yet. I'm always the last to get it. But they had this cute little crossbody. Since I haven't gotten yet, I've gone by what others have. And it's like, I don't think it's real leather, but it's a cute little backpack. And I can't wait to get it. But in the meantime, Stitch Fix sent me a backpack. And I thought it was so funny because I hadn't seen what the backpacks in the FabFitFun, and then all of a sudden I get this one. And then I started watching everybody's FabFitFun, and they're saying the crossbody was really kind of small. You couldn't put a whole lot in there. And this one is kind of large. Now it isn't leather. This looks kind of like, I don't know, maybe, I don't want to say plastic because it doesn't really feel like plastic. And this is almost like a washable material. It's Orion, and they're saying this is small, but I think it's bigger than the ones that we get in the FabFitFun. And let's open it. It's pretty big. I mean, I probably couldn't fit my laptop in here, but I could probably fit my iPad in here. And it's got pockets for the cell phone. The only thing I don't like about it, it's gold trim. I'm a silver person, so I would have liked it better had it been silver. Now I'm getting attacked by the monster wasps, and it does have a pocket up front, and it just says Orion Small Black by Herschel. It says it's leather capsule, but it doesn't really feel like leather. So I guess this part is leather, but it doesn't really feel like leather. So I do like it. I like the concept, but I'm really bummed because I wish this was silver. So I'm gonna try everything on, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first two pieces with the Daniel Rain Abrian split neck cap sleeve in navy and the Lefty and Me Adele hooded rib sleeve cardigan in light gray. So here's the cardigan. It's got the cute hood. It's got, let me lower you. It's got the rib sleeves and the pockets and the split neck. So it's pretty cute. And then I just paired it with my cute polka dot. I do like it. It's comfortable. And it's got the finger tags. But look at the back. The back is super cute. And I was gonna try it on with the backpack, but I'm gonna wait. But it's got the cute sleeves. I hope the color is coming through. Filming outside and all. Okay, I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I got the next piece on, and this is by LUQ Olivia embroidered top in burnt orange. And it is so comfortable. So here's the embroidery, and this runs across the top. And it is super comfortable and perfect for hot weather. And I'm just gonna get the backpack out. I'll be right back. So put on the backpack. I won't be able to see it. So I'll have to review the video. Right now it's empty, so it feels great. But once I fill it up, so you'll have to leave comments on how it looks. Of course, I'll review the video back to see what it looks like. But it's perfect for going out. But I'm just not feeling this gold here. So I'll be right back with the last sweater. Okay, I have this last sweater on, and this is the Letty and Me Azalea Keyhole Pointed Detail in Burgundy. But I'm not sure. I'm loving the detail. It feels so soft. Obviously you can see my bra through it. It's 3/4 sleeve, but I'm not sure how I feel about how it fits. I'm gonna lower you because it's got the detail at the bottom. You probably can't see it out here. It does feel comfortable, and I really do like this across here. I just don't know how it looks. So I'm gonna need your help. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I'm back with the recap. I was so excited about this fix, but now I don't know. The total would be $267.99. If I buy all, the discount is would be $67. That would bring it down to $200.99. Because of you guys, I have $150 in credit, and that would bring my subtotal down to $50.99. But unfortunately, I'm not going to keep everything. This bag retailed for $89.99, and I did not love it. I do not like the gold around the top. So it's going back. And the cardigan, I really liked it, but I have something almost exactly like this back in Arizona. So this retailed for $44, which really is not a bad price for a cardigan, but since I have something similar, it's going back. And I really liked this embroidered top. So I'm not sure, I'm kind of on the fence. And that retailed for $38. Then I have the Daniel Rain ombre on split neck cap sleeve in navy. It's $54. I think it's kind of pricey, but I thought it was kind of cute. So this might be a keeper. Let me know what you think. And then the last thing is this top that I'm really not sure of. I liked it, but just didn't really like it on me. And this retailed for $42. So let me know what you thought of this fix. And as always, thank you so much for taking time out of your day. And you guys take care.